Hey guys, ari ta subong sa JETOUR ay aton i-vlog ini nga lugar para makita nyo ang mga features ini. Upod nato si Ma'am Teya. Ari ko di, hello, magandang hapon. Masulod kita, ari na siya. Hello ma'am, may hapon. Si Ma'am Teya, si Ma'am Tiara. Ma'am Tiara, Ma'am Teya. Okay. Sige ma'am, si Ma'am Tia.
JETOUR Auto BACOLOD showroom. We are located at corner Rosario Araneta Street, Bacolod City. So feel free to visit us. We're open Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay.
So itour ta ka mo, sir?
Yes po.
So first off, let's start with dashing. So here's the key sa dashing. So it's very unique. So it looks like a Lamborghini sa front, and then very futuristic. So this one cost 1,433,000 pesos. So 1.5 engine size, no, gasoline. So ang ating handle looks like this, and when we open it, nag-aamo na siya.
Ganun siya. Once i-open mo, automatic na siya.
Yes, sir.
Ang galing ng handle, oh. Ano?
So this is a 5-seater compact SUV. Very spacious. Ang leg room niya is very comfortable with the passenger and the driver.
Okay.
So take a look inside, sir.
Okay.
So this is how it looks like inside. Sa aton dashing. So it has a wireless charger, infotainment, mga 19 inches na siya. So do tablet na, mini TV, and then we also have armrest na may mini cooler. And then it's automatic at the same time. Pwede mo siya ma-manual. Just tilt it on the left side lang. And then right side if gusto niyo mag-automatic transmission. It also has 4 air conditions sa front and 2 startang engine. This also has a exhaust fan right here. Just in case walang kaon today, kung nano man na it might smell inside the car, so hindi na ta mag-worry. So right here, may arimata hands-free controllers for the radio volumes, and this one is for if ever may kolta or something. And then what else? Here we can see the kung ang aton gas, kilometers, no? So just sa same old features lang sa mga salakyan. And then fully automatic na mechanism niya inside. Okay, so hello JETOUR. I'm listening.
Wow.
Open sunshade.
Wow. Voice ano pala siya? Command. Wow.
Yes sir. Voice command. Panoramic sunroof. 360 camera.
Wow. Galing.
Hello JETOUR. I am ready. Open sunroof.
Ayun, no?
Yan.
Nice.
So, it only opens lang sa tunga, sir. But for the sunshade, gid siya at asa gid siya sa likod. Hello JETOUR. I am ready. Close sunroof.
Wow. Voice command pala ito. Very
Yes, sir.
nice. Galing.
And for the 360 camera, sir, very clear din na siya.
Okay.
So, may 2D and 3D options. So, very clear din na siya, sir. This is also very sensitive when it comes sa dalan. No? It has indication if ever may ara tas ang tupad na very close gid sa aton. So it will actually indicate right here. So may driving mode siya, sports and eco. And then it also has other settings. Like for example, naga-update man siya from time to time. And for the car settings, may ari tadi sa courtesy mode. So siya pwede man siya ma-on, sir, especially when you have a lot of things wala nga ginabit-bit. And then wala ka na magkuha sang yabi sa bulsa mo. Once nga ada ka nalapit sa iya, the handle opens.
Okay. So keyless siya. At the same time, may sensor siya.
Yes, sir. Keyless siya, push to start button, and then it's very sensitive, kid katama. Especially if nag-on siya, and then wala ang yabi sa sulod niya, it alarms. So, kailangan ari gid ang yabi niya. And also, ang charger niya, it also need to be charged. So, dire may charging na di siya.
Ano siyang asol, ma'am?
This is the ambient light, sir. So, pwede ito niya siya ma-change. Ambient lamp. So, gusto ito mag-red,
Okay.
pink, yellow, green,
Mami,
blue. So, it depends on our mood. Kumbaga.
Okay. So, ito, ma'am, pag ginbutan mo dire, ano nagsasok ang yabi sinis ga charge siya.
Yes, sir. Ga-charge
ba?
sa. Tapos, sir, may hari man ni siya yabi, sir, ha, just in case, malubat siya, i-pull ta lang ni pagwa. So, magwa da is ang key niya.
Okay.
Para sa door.
Okay. May sariling key pala.
For the door lang, sir, kay push to start button naman yan. So,
Okay.
as you can see, very, malamig ito siya sulod.
Ganda siya, malamig.
That's the compartment. And right here, sir, feel bala, sir. Okay, pwede ka kabutang drinks or like your
Malamig
food.
nga. Malamig. Lumalabas na hangin.
Kung road trip ka mo bala, sir, gusto mo i-keep lang siya ng chill.
Kaya gini, ma'am, meron pang saksakan charger.
Yes, for the charger, this is for the iOS, mga Apple. Sir. So, charging. Tapos may wireless man siya nga charger. So, iPhone, ganito yung mga, niya, mga compatible. Phone.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're very much welcome, Sir Bong.
Okay. Thank you.